Hello and welcome. Today I would like to begin with showing actually our services. We have some updates on our services, so I encourage you to visit aiinvestlab.com. There you will find it all out. Basically, first of all, there are those investment funds which are currently on the BYBIT, crypto related. There is this one VIP, AI Invest Lab VIP fund, which runs on the two main, the most promising blockchains, basically Ethereum and Solana, trading it daily. So currently it's run already 10 days and there is 17% in the profit. You can check it out yourself. 66 winning trades, zero losing trades so far. Then the next one is also AI Invest Lab Swing Trading Fund, which you can visit also and see how we are building up the positions for the following bull run. So there are the more about swing trading, so longer trades, not that fast impulse in the price movement. So that's also good to follow. Therefore, regard the crypto, actually, if you combine those two funds, then basically it's a pretty nice combination. So the next one, if you want to even the situation that actually we do everything for you, also opening the account and investing into the account, that is also all done for you service, that then you have to contact us straight away. So, and there we also can allocate some investments in early startup stage in cryptos, AI, and tech space. So, and then the third one is the service financial education, which is also possible to get in our page. So, just to visit the page and check out actually what that's all about. Basically, there is all the knowledge required to actually be successful with the investments, with the active trading. So, and therefore, I really encourage you to also invest time. The time is biggest investment in this case when we talking about education. So, and also learn the stuff yourself. So that's about aiinvestlab.com. Now I would like to also pay attention where we are standing right now with the data related to Bitcoin and crypto overall. So ETFs yesterday actually were outflowing, not inflowing. So the yesterday's run up to 71 something was actually made by retail and some other institutions, but not the ETFs. As we can see here, yesterday actually minus 223 million, and that's some kind of divergence not seen for a while, because yesterday, as I told you, ETFs down, the market up. Let's see what the data will show today. But if we go to liquidations, there was pretty much no liquidations yesterday, just a quite short amount of liquidations. And I would like to show you the heat map to see where actually there are currently the major zones to watch out and where the market can rally next. So if you look to the very short time frame, then we can see really on the upwards direction there is possibility of this cascade liquidations of the shorts, and that would be pretty nice scenario, I believe, for everybody who have large spot accounts, and not only spot but also long positions. And if we break out, as there was actually yesterday a breakout, and currently it's like a retest a little bit. So, and if we continue, then if we get all these cascade liquidations in the row, then it's quite easy to get the price actually up to 80k. So Let's see what will actually happen. As I have always told, you have to be always prepared for both directions, and then you are pretty much fine with anything happens into the market. So, and that's how we are also prepared with our robots and investment funds. You can check it out yourself. Then I would like to also go, I guess, to the larger time frame because there will be we will see also the levels, the stronger levels on the further directions. So as we can see, if we drop down to 68, 69K region, then there is also a lot of longs to be liquidated. So that means basically long liquidations means selling. So there will be a lot of sale volume from the liquidations. That means there is also option to buy in a lot. So therefore this scenario is also quite possible. That's about liquidations. Then we can also go to funding rate, which is a little bit heating up right now again. By yesterday, yes, still in the green, but it's already 14, 17%. So that nothing really dangerous, but yeah, that's also thing to monitor. Currently, definitely not in the yellow, not in the red, so nothing much to worry about from this perspective. Then also I would like to clarify about our challenge, how the challenge is actually doing. And there I would like to show you quite straight away. This is the VIP fund currently, and I have increased the investment in VIP fund. Let's go to Trader Center. Currently, I was starting the fund basically with $100. Now I just tripled the investment, and it's now $300 in it. And therefore, as because I tripled it, also do not show the correct percentage into the profit. Currently, it is, as I told you, basically 17%. So, and there you can also see on the profile all of the trades and all of the actions, what is going on with this account. As we can see, basically 50. Okay, this is 7 days, but we can look also to like the longer time frame. Then there is 66 winning trades, 0 losing trades. So winning rate basically 100% position wise. And also followers have pretty nice gains already. So all of them are in the profits. Some are following for 2 days, some already for the 9 days. So I encourage you to start following as well. Start follow with the smaller money and then see what is going on with the follow for a month or two, and then basically increase your investment. That's absolutely the smart way to do. And also, as I told you also previously, that basically still currently maybe 80% in the spot, 20% in a copy trading, and by the bull market will go on, then definitely increase this percentage in the copy trading and slowly start selling your spot account. That is the smart way to do these things. So, and that's about this VIP fund, but there is also other funds. For example, currently AI Invest Lab. Okay, I didn't went the right way, so not really there. AI Invest Lab basically is this swing trading account that currently then sits on the 1,000. I took out 200, so it's also in the profits, but not that much profits yet. It will run quickly when actually the market will start to have next jump upwards. So and then there is this main account for the spot for the challenge, and there is currently also 1,000. So basically it's like 2 point, you can calculate 2.4 something probably in the current challenge, actually from the 1k to 100k. So therefore and that's about update to the current situation. But right now I also wanted to clarify with you one topic. Let's go to chat GPT and write the question, because this is very important for anybody who joins actually the crypto space. There is quite interesting uh, thing, which basically when you start doing some crypto or buying some coins and sending some coins from the wallet to wallet or from the exchange to exchange, then you, I think the most of the new users have lost some money in the sending the coins from the one exchange to the other, from the one wallet to another, because the thing is that you have to take into account that you have to send from the hash rate to the hash rate via the same chain. You have to mark the same chain on the both sides, from the exchange you are sending and also the wallet or exchange which will receive. There have to be also marked the chain you will be using, so, and that you have to mark on the both ends. And that's the mistake many are making when sending the money and do not pay attention to actually the chain they are using. That is pretty much important. For example, if the one end is the ERC20, then also in the other end have to be ERC20, not some Tron chain or Sol or BNB, you know. So therefore, this is absolutely crucial, because if you miss this point, then you basically lose all your sending money. So let's write the question. What happens if you use different chains when sending crypto from one exchange to another? So let's read this one. When sending cryptocurrencies from one exchange to another, it's critical to ensure that you are using the correct blockchain or chain. Each cryptocurrency operates on its own blockchain, and if you send crypto using the wrong chain, your transaction may fail, or worse, your funds could be lost. Here is what typically happens if you use different chains when sending crypto from one exchange to another. Transaction failure. Most exchanges have measures in place to prevent users from mistakenly sending cryptocurrencies to the wrong blockchain. If you attempt to send a cryptocurrency using the wrong chain, the transaction is likely to fail and you will receive an error message indicating the mismatch. So that is actually a good scenario. Then there is actually the funds are not sent and you haven't lost the money. Loss of funds is the second scenario, which can happen in some cases. If you send a cryptocurrency using the wrong chain, your funds may be irretrievably lost. For example, if you send Bitcoin using the Ethereum blockchain, those Bitcoins will effectively be sent to an address that doesn't exist in the Bitcoin network, and there is no way to reverse the transaction or retrieve the funds. So basically, your money then is lost. Support intervention. If you mistakenly send cryptocurrency using the wrong chain, you may be able to contact customer support for assistance. However, this process can be time consuming and may not always result in the recovery of your funds. It's essential to double check all the transaction details before confirming. So, yes, basically, you can lose your funds if you mismatch those chains, and that's the main thing which can happen. And also, in the previous bull run, there, for example, I was receiving some small amounts of some kind of coins in a wallet sometimes, and they typically, I think, come from those mismatches. Somebody just missed the chain and Surprisingly, I got some really small amounts of some kind of shitcoins. So, therefore, I really have to say that you have to watch this on the both ends. That is like the main thing. And also, if you are sending the large amount of money, it's also important that you send first of all small amount, maybe $10 to check whether everything works, if the actually the wallet receives those $10 or other currencies, and then send actually the large amount afterwards. That's still the most secure way how to actually send the crypto over the ecosystem. So thank you very much and see you next time.